In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change age on Roblox after verification. First, launch your Roblox app or navigate to the Roblox account in the web version. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find different section. Head over to the section account info. Here you're going to find this option of age group, like with birthday. Clicking on this paper and pencil kind of icon, you are able to change your age or update it. In case you have already verified it, you won't get this option. So what you will need to do is click on the settings icon again, click on help and safety, click on help center. Here type in change age. Now click on this option, how do I change my age? Over here as well, you're gonna find the steps to change your age. If you haven't verified your age, you can easily apply these steps and change it. In case you have verified it, click on this option, need more help, contact support. Now you'll need to fill out this form. Type in your username, first name, email address, likewise confirm your email address. Select the device type. Select the help category, age-based. Now here, clearly describe about your issue. Mention that you have already used ID verification and your account age does not match the information on your ID. You are requesting the verification to be removed so you can try again. Once you fill out this form, click on continue and submit it. With this, Roblox support team will get back to you, and that's it. This way you are able to change age on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.